Hello and welcome back. Rebecca here. I am so excited. The 4th of July is just around the corner, so I got me some colors that should work together for a good 4th of July manicure that I'll be doing next video. So let's swatch and see what we like. Okay, so I went ahead and got everything set up. Today we're doing Revel's Rocket, which is this one.
Garage backdoor motion.
Justice Blue, which is this one.
Laundry room motion.
Spark, which is this one. And then Finale, which is that one. All right, let's get started. I think 2 of these are temperature changers. I think Rocket turns kind of a white red, which I'm kind of hoping it is, because I want to do, I can't remember what they're called, but if you go on to like the internet, you might be able to figure it out. It was like an ice pop you could get on the ice cream truck as a child, and half of it was red, then it went white, and then went blue. I think I'm going to do that as my nails. So I'm hoping these ones work really well for it. I think I'm out of frame. So this one looks like it has some iridescent opal colored glitters in it, small and chunky. This one more of a cream of the red, and we'll see if it changes when we get done here. I like this blue. I'm hoping it comes out as nice as it is in the jar. Okay. And then Finale. This would be a nice accent nail, or if you put like white down and then just sprinkle this on it, or do an ombre between the two. Might even work really well for that blue. One more coat. This blue is like a denim blue with little sparkles. They look like they're silvers and blues. So I think we're definitely going to use that blue. And the Rocket. All right, let's see what they look like activated and see if we can get some color change. I'm obsessed with this blue. Okay, let those dry. We'll get this out of the way. Not sure if I want this one, the opal coloring. I think I want to get like a regular white. I'm liking these three so far.
Laundry room motion.
And that one turns white. So definitely going to be this one. Maybe I'll use a different blue that turns white as well. I think that's called Marjorie. That might be good. We'll have to play with it.
Garage back door motion.
No change. Let's see. If you look at your jars underneath, the numbers, if they have like a G, it'll be a glow. Let me look at these. Hang on. Not all of them do it, especially when they're in sets. Like this one. This is Bahamas. Has the SC. This is a sun changer. And this one, MC, for mood changer. So these are cold. Not all of them do that. Not all of them have the number on it. Like this one doesn't have it, but this one's a glow. GC,
Garage back door motion.
glow. I try to separate my swatches. Sometimes I'll put UV on it here, glow. It's been a lot of labeling lately, so I just kind of separate the swatches on different rings. All right, so we are done with those and finally done with all my swatching or caught up. All right, if you liked anything here, please give me a like, a share, a subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see my 4th of July manicure that I'm going to be doing here this weekend. All right, have a good day.